everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into Fidelity Investment account. If you are not familiar with what Fidelity Investment is, it is commonly referred to as Fidelity. Fidelity is an American multinational financial service corporation. Fidelity Investment operates a brokerage firm, manages a large family of mutual funds, investment advice, retirement services, wealth management, life insurance, and many more. To log in to Fidelity, go to your web browser and type www.fidelity.com and enter. Soon after that, you'll reach its homepage. From the homepage, on the left-hand side of the screen, enter your username first. Next, enter a valid password for your accounts. Make sure it is typed correct. Click on the Remember Me box if you want the site to remember your username. If your username and password is correct, you will be logged into your account just by clicking on the login button. In case you don't have an account yet, you can create an account by clicking on Open an account and following the instructions. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more tutorials soon. Thank you for watching.